tighten it up, push it that way, so it will make it nice. Over here, you don't have to bring it. It will hold tight already, especially when you do this kind of thread, when you use, which is, if you click on the link, you will see the description. When you order it, those thread, it's very strong and tight there and thin there, so they will tie very good, easy. So now we're gonna jump to the next line. Okay, here we go. We'll make a little loose, and we make those little small stitches again. That's one, that's two. It's kind of work, but as long as you have patience, you will make it, and it will be beautiful art. All right, now we're gonna jump to on top of the next petal. I hope that you can see all the stitches while I'm doing. That's two. And this is three. There you go. Now we jump here. We make sure that the thread goes far away. There we go. And this is the third one. Here we go. We jump to the next. All right, well, I will finish this for you. And then we'll go to the next line because it's going to take time. I want you to go by yourself, do it. And then you can follow again to the next line until we finish these stitches, because I want to make it complete for you so you understand what we're doing and where we are going. Again, we jump here. Oh, it looks like we're almost done anyway, so we'll finish it up. That's one. This is two. And this is three. And then we jump here. Don't make it too big, but don't make it too loose either. The width. I mean, don't make it like too big stitch. Two, three. We're almost there. Now we're going to jump to the next again. Again, we're going to make small seeds. That's one. That's two. Always when it's like gets bigger, just pull this up like this. It will make it smaller for you. That's what's the needle you can use for everything, to loosen it up, to tighten it up, to untie the stitches and everything. So we jump on the next. We're almost there. See, this is the second line. Here we go. That's one, that's two, and that's three. So this is the last. Here is all the layers is done. Did you see how much loose it was and now it's kind of flat? If I go one more time, it will really relax and it will do a good job. Now this is here. This is the second line. The first line is gone. This one we done. There is two more lines to go. And then you will see how the rainbow will show. And I have to tell you, it's like a flower mountain and the rainbow together. It's like all flower. It's like a beautiful vase with, it's like a pine cone, like vase with the flowers. Or let's say it's fruit on, but those are all the rainbow. This is I call rainbow design. I'm going to fix my thread again here, the needle, to untie it. Okay, now it should go more faster because you will see the design even better. This is now, guess what? Now it's going to be 2 little stitches, which this is what's going to happen to you. The hill, the mountain, like a fruit in the vase. Let me push this away. Now that you see here 2, we're going to jump to the 3rd, to the old one. Now you're going to see little by little the stitches getting bigger over here. Now we have to do 1, 2. From here we have to jump over here. There you go. Now again 1, because the seeds are getting less and less, it goes much faster now because we need more, only 2 or 3 stitches, seeds to do. This is 2, we jump here, we make the rainbow line. Those are the rainbows now, the rainbow colors. That's 2. Now we have to jump to the next. Make sure it's not too big. It's like, make sure that it's kind of reaches even, but every time it gets a little bit bigger. Don't make it too loose, it will be plie your needle point, needle lace. You don't want that. That's 1 and that's 2. And let me say to you, whenever you make it, like if you see, for example, this thread, if it's like this, you'll see it will be way too far. I told you before, you can always pull your stitches this way. So the stitch will come closer to the next stitch, to the next seeds. But always make sure that it's even. See over here, for example, if you are doing, you want to be closer, do this and pull it this way. After you pull it, tied it up, pull it a little bit this way so it comes closer to your next stitch. There you go. All right, let me make a few more. I guess it's almost there. So this is how you do it. All right. We're almost there. It's so 1 and 2. Always, like I say, do not forget, always hold your needle. Whenever you pull it, make sure you hold tight with this finger, your needle point. So we don't have, when we pull the needle like this, it won't stretch your lace. It stays nice and firm. That's what your fingers are for, to use them both sides. Here we go. This is our 3rd. And we're close to there. There you go. 2 more little ones. 1 and 2. Next to the line. Here, that's 1 and 2. And we go to the last one. Again, my thread is finished. I'll do again a couple more. Usually when I work my own needle point, I put a little longer thread. But because I'm showing you, I want to put small ones. See, Now the second, oh, this is the third one. Now it's finished, the third line. There you go. See, that's how it's kind of resting it now better. It's getting better and better. More tighter we do, it gets more relaxed. Now, you can, if you want, because we have to make it too pointy, we have to go one more round, and then you can do this design on top. You put all the flowers, but before you put the flowers, you have to make small seeds on top of that. You have to go extra big lines, big rainbow lines, and then you put small seeds, and then you make your flowers. And it will show beautiful. If you want, I'm going to show you again this line again, and then we will be finished it. So basically, that's how you do. See now, this is, I came to the point. This is my last one. And I want to pull this way so I can do it. Now this is the last. I want to cut the thread over here. So I don't want to go in the middle of the little seeds. Okay, one more time we do it, and I think we'll be having all the idea. Where is my scissor? Here we go. All right. Okay, let's do this, and we'll have all the ideas what we're doing. If this is too long for you, the thread, cut it a little bit, so it makes it easier. So here we go. This is the last row with the small seeds, of course. There you go. You put this in the back. You keep your seeds up. And then you go to your... Now, this will go even faster because now we have one seeds to do, which is here. We do one little seeds.